Hey, Saginaw ISD team. Welcome to our new digital newsletter. This is a communication format that's going to allow us to give you real-time, quick hits and tidbits about all the great things that are taking place at Saginaw ISD, throughout Saginaw County, and in public education. Today, we're on site at our Jerome Preschool campus, and we're going to be able to show you around some of the updates of what's taking place. Come on along. First, I want to give you a glimpse of our new grand entrance at Jerome Preschool. The large canopy creates a grand welcome for our students, families, and community. It's designed to match the entrance at Millet Learning Center, ensuring consistency across our campuses. This thoughtful design not only makes a great first impression, but also provides a safe, sheltered entrance into the school. We're really proud of how it's coming together and can't wait to welcome everyone through these doors. Another great feature of our campus renovation is the state-of-the-art greenhouse for STEM education. And check out how cool these planting beds are for our preschoolers. This incredible space is designed to give our youngest learners hands-on access to green STEM curriculum. Here, students will explore the life cycle of plants from seed to harvest while learning about sustainability and healthy eating. It's a place where they can touch, feel, and even take home the foods they help grow. We're thrilled to offer this unique learning experience that connects science, nature, and community right here on our Jerome Preschool campus. We're also excited to introduce you to our new Professional Development Center here at Jerome, designed for Saginaw ISD staff and community learning. This space takes full advantage of its beautiful tall ceilings and a living green wall, creating an open, inviting atmosphere that mimics the feeling of being outdoors. It's a perfect environment for collaborative learning and growth. We've also installed a large video screen, similar to the one at Central Campus, to continue a consistent look across our sites. We look forward to using the space to bring people together for ongoing learning and development. I want to thank you for being part of this journey, and stay tuned for more updates ahead. As we wrap up, we look forward to continuing to update you not only on the exciting progress at Jerome, but on all of the great work happening across Saginaw ISD. Together, we'll continue to lead forward, building a brighter future for our students, staff, and community. And remember, through our story, we're sharing the positive impact we're making every single day.